Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel Learn Now from your learning partner. Today we are going to start our new series for Python. Welcome to 100 Days of Code. Our goal is to take you from zero to job ready in Python programming within just a few months. By dedicating 100 days to this course, you'll learn the ins and outs of Python programming through bite-sized lessons. We'll start with the basics and gradually move on to more advanced concepts. While it may seem easy at first, you'll be surprised at how much you'll learn by the end of this program. Python is often associated with being a beginner's programming language. But don't let that fool you. As we progress through the video series, we'll take on increasingly challenging projects that are utilized in the industry. Get ready for a lot of excitement and fun. Python is a dynamically typed, object-oriented language that was developed by Guido van Russom in 1991. Interestingly, Van Russom was inspired to create the language while watching the show Monty Python Circus on TV. When it came time to name his creation, its creator thought, why not Python? And so, the programming language was christened. Throughout this course, you can expect to not only learn theory, but also engage in hands-on practice. With numerous exercises, quizzes, and challenges in store, you're sure to be kept on your toes. So, let's get started. With the click of a button, I'll introduce you to the distinct and innovative world of Python. Are you up for the 100 Days Code Challenge? Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates. With so much content on YouTube, it's easy to get lost. In the comment section, type I accept 100 Days of Code Challenge to join the fun. But first I want to tell you a little bit about it, because this is more than a course. It's a journey. And it's a challenge. A challenge to yourself. I often hear people say, I want to learn to code. I want to become an app developer. I want a new job. I want to build my app, but without action, those words are meaningless. But you are different. I know it. Even though I don't know you personally, I know you are on this channel and you haven't left it at that. You've made a start. And success comes to those who show up. And you showed up today. I know you can do this. You can make your dreams come true. You can change your own future and you can change the lives of those people around you. One of the questions I hear most often is, what's the best way to learn to code? Well, here it is. It's the 100 Days of Code Challenge. Code for at least an hour. Over 100 days. You're practicing a muscle to get strong at coding. Then the next question inevitably is, well, what do I do each day? And I've spent years thinking about this question. And finally, I'm now able to definitively answer that. It's this course. Every day, you're going to learn and apply new programming concepts. After 100 days of repeating this process, not only will you have covered the entire professional Python curriculum, you'll also be so good that they can't ignore you. There are just 2 rules to get the most out of this course. The first one is to pledge to code for an hour a day for 100 days. To keep yourself accountable, I recommend downloading the course pledge. This is a contract with yourself. You can print it out and pin it somewhere. You can always see, for example, above your computer or on your desk. By signing the pledge, you're making a commitment to yourself. It's only for you. No one else needs to see it. You can download the pledge from the decryption. The second rule is to log your progress. The second is to using the hashtag 100 Days of Code hashtag in comment section. To get started, download and install Python. Type Python in your browser and go to find the latest version available for download compatible with your platform. In this tutorial, we will be using Replit, a collaborative, browser-based IDE for easy code sharing. Sign in with your Google account and you will be redirected to your screen with all your REPLs. Replit